If you need some tips on finding your first tech internship, you've come to the right place. Having an internship can be a great learning experience, as well as an amazing networking opportunity. This can even help you secure a job for when you graduate. If you want to eventually work at a different company, an internship on your resume will help show the employer that you have valuable work experience in the field, which could lead to them hiring you. The first step is for you to decide what kind of internship you're looking for based on your major and your interest. You need to narrow down what kind of opportunity would best set you up for the right path in the future. For example, if you're looking for a cybersecurity job in the future, then make sure that your internship experience matches that. The second step would be for you to go on job search websites like LinkedIn, Glassdoor, Indeed, and ZipRecruiter. Another good resource is for you to look at your school's career job post website and let your professors know that you're in the market for an internship. Sometimes your professors can help you find an internship through their own connections. The next step is for you to apply to all the internships that you're interested in. I would probably suggest that you apply to 100 to 200 applications minimum until you find the internship that you most are interested in. So take the time to apply to 10 to 20 each day and make sure that the opportunities that you are applying to have been posted in the last 2 to 3 weeks, because anything older than that is probably outdated and they will never get back to you. You should start your internship search way in advance if you're looking for a summer internship, because the applications open up sometimes in early February. Step 3 is when you get an interview email. So, you got an email that a company wants to interview for an internship position. That's great news. You should spend a lot of time interview prepping if you really want this opportunity. Search up interview tips and practice talking to yourself in the mirror. Search for popular interview questions like, what's your biggest strength or weakness? And try to answer them to yourself before the interview and have multiple examples ready. Websites such as Glassdoor sometimes even have interview questions that a specific company could ask, so it's always a good thing to go over those as well. You should research your company a little and know what they do and read the description of the job that you're interviewing for. It's good to review the skills that the internship requires, and if you don't have a certain skill, it's definitely the right time to learn them before the interview, because you never know what you may be asked, so it's always better to be prepared. Before you begin your interview, it's good to give yourself a pep talk, and that always helps me out to get all the jitters away.
Just do it!
Take a deep breath. You got this. Also, at the end of the interview, they may ask if you have any questions, so it's a good thing to come in with a few questions pre-prepared. Some examples of this could be asking about next steps, the company culture, and what will be your daily duties as an intern. These are all good ways to show that you're interested in the position. After the interview is over, write a nice email to the person who interviewed you, thanking them for their time and effort. If there was anything that stood out to you in the interview, make sure to add that as well to show your excitement for the job. After that, all you can do is wait for them to contact you. If they don't, it's a good idea to send a follow-up email. Good luck to you all on your internship hunt. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. We made this channel to help students learn more about IT and cybersecurity so they can succeed. Thanks for watching.